all and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be telling you about how to make effective notes. So without wasting time, let's start this video. At first, I will ask you a question, whether you like sober notes or colorful. And if I ask about if you like crowded or spacious notes, it totally depends upon you. But I will suggest you that you should make spacious notes. Tip number 1. You should maintain a quiet space while making notes. Tip number 2. You should be an active listener while taking notes so that you can't miss any point. Tip 3. Gather your note-taking materials in an organized way with you before taking notes. Tip number 4. Mark important defines, keywords and concepts. Tip number 5. You should use question, answer, evidence method. Tip number 6. Always start with a fresh page. Tip number 7. Use symbols and diagrams while making notes. It will help you to easily understand the concept. Tip number 8. Review and analyze your notes. So, what is the question, answer, evidence method? First, you should write the question of that concept, then the answer. Suppose what is electric current? Then you should write the answer and then the reason or evidence behind that answer. So, what are the basic materials you should have with you while taking notes? At first, you should have a Fevicol if you are adding an additional point in your notes, a pencil to underline, and an eraser, a sharpener, and a paper clip with you. These are to underline your concepts and will help you to organize your notes. Some good grip pens and yes, a scale. What to do if some points are left? So yes, you should use sticky notes at that time, as you can easily add points in your notes without spoiling your notes. Not only that, it will also help your notes to look creative. You can use pencil colors, highlighters, sketch pens and even wax crayons to highlight your points. So you can use some white papers, spiral notebooks and even you can use big registers to make your notes, but I will suggest you to make your notes in white paper, as you can freely write anything you want. But you can also use big registers, as I said. So after knowing all the points, I will suggest you to make the notes according to yourself, whether it should be spacious or crowded. So yes, that was all the important points which you should remember while making your notes, and yes, your notes would be effective now. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. This video should be informative for you to make notes according to some points. Meet you in the next video. Goodbye. Wait a minute. I have seen maximum of you have not subscribed the channel yet. So make sure to subscribe the channel. Bye bye.